Hello everyone, my name is Martin Rules and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. Today's video is all about the new normal because Ever Bilena challenged me to do a makeup look with some of their products. With that said, I am going to wear my favorite mask made by my aunt and fill my motherfucking oats. Yes! But first, we are going to check out what's inside of this pink box. So, ayan. First, we have Pro Brow Duo Eyebrow Pencil. Second product is Black Dot Look Makeup Setting Spray. And pangatlo, yung Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette na talaga namang napaka-cute. Di ba? Fourth product is Matte Long Lasting Dip Liner. Fifth product is Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. This product has a specific one for lower lashes and upper lashes. And lastly, tada! Their cream eyeshadow sticks na pinakabago nilang product. So, spinach ko yung 4 shades na Sapphire, Bronze, Black, and Copper which glides smoothly and sets quickly. Ayan lahat yung laman ng box, and just because face masks are now the new norm doesn't mean we can play with makeup. So, let's start. Mag-start tayo sa brows ko and we are going to use the Pro Brow Duo. This one is 185 pesos and meron ka ng pencil on the other end and smudge brush to achieve a natural looking brows. Here, I'm just filling my brows how I normally do it and also adding depth by applying smudge brush sa sparse area. Ito yung comparison and gagawin ko lang yung brows ko off-cam. Charan! Okay, let's proceed naman with our eyeshadow. And gagamitin natin itong cream eyeshadow sticks in the shades Sapphire and Black. Yes! Maglalagay lang tayo ng right amount sa ating lid and just like I said earlier, super easy niya mag-glide and pigmented, period. Sabi ko rin na mabilis siya mag-set, so paglagay natin, blend agad mga zizz. Fairness ha, the color super bet ko siya and easy lang niyang iswipe and i-blend. May pakak na eyeshadow ka na, Divine, for 195 pesos lang. What a game changer! We are putting a black shade lang sa ating outer third para may depth. This is optional, you can wear it like this, pero since I'm extra period, I'm putting a purple eyeshadow para pakak na pakak, blended na, diba? For my waterline, maglalagay ako ng cream eyeshadow stick in the shade Copper, kasi why not? Using the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, gagamitin ko yung matte bone shade on my inner corner para may subtle pop. Ganuin. This one pala is 220 pesos. For my lashes, gagamitin natin yung Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. Honestly, for its price na 225 pesos, you'll get the most dahil meron siyang for your upper lashes, which ang kailangan natin ay thick and juicy wand and thin, precise wand naman para sa ating lower lashes. Ginamit ko naman yung Matte Long Lasting Deep Liner for my beauty mark para may umph. To set this mug, I'm using Lock That Look Makeup Setting Spray na talaga namang napaka-refreshing po, opo. This is the final look. Yes, friends, super easy lang and nanlalavern kahit nakamask. True? And now, I'm challenging you to create your new normal makeup look using Ever Bilena products. So, ang mechanics ay first, you must follow me and Ever Bilena's IG. Second, tag Ever Bilena sa look na post nyo. Third, and last thing sa caption nyo include @MartinRulesChallengedMe and use the hashtag EBNewNormal. I will personally choose the winner, barabing barabum boom boom, who will get the EB gift pack. Yes! That's it for today's video. Please wear mask, observe social distancing, keep safe, and stay healthy. Also, good luck sa mga sasali. And until next time, bye!